Are you at the casino? Where is the place? Ah, if I know, I'd have parked in Congress Hall side now.
If you park in Congress Hall, they won't even let you in.
So you have to park in the main car park. Hi guys. How are you? How you guys doing? And what's up? What's going on? So today is Thursday. Yeah, Thursday the 21st. And I'm literally just parked at the Hilton. I'm going to be shooting this morning with Tengu and Waka Waka Nena of the Soft Life crew. I'm not sure if Princess is coming for this content creation this morning, but anyway, we are going to be filming some casino content this morning. Yes, I know this was entirely Nena's idea, not my idea. Was Nana's idea. Okay, so when we all have ideas like this, we try to execute them. So we are working today at the casino in Hilton, and I have my big puffy dress. So we want like big dresses and casino vibes for this content. So I have my dress over there from Sashes, the same place I got my birthday shoot dress, and I'm wearing my blonde wig for the first time in a very long while. I recently had it revamped and it's looking hella good. So yeah, I'm wearing it for today's content. Oh, look at how bouncy it is. I love it. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be wearing for today's content. I went with green eyes today to just contrast against the yellow that I'm wearing. And yeah guys, that's that. I'll talk to you guys when I get into the casino. Let me go because I am slightly late already. So yeah, we are here. Let me show you guys everybody's dress. Everybody's looking hot. This is Tengu in blue. Yes, I love it. Ooh, give us a turn. Yes. Yes. This is Waka Waka. I'm Princess in red and black. Give us a spin for us small. Yes. And me in yellow.
Yeah. This yellow is so nice.
Thank you. With my blonde hair like Donatella Versace.
Yeah.
Go.
Behind the scenes. Again. This Tengu second dress, eh? Okay, ne. Oh, this is so nice. I love it. Oh, so pretty. Are you serious? Is that our dance? You know? Or yesterday we were still on 1-2. Guys, we're done. But we're not really like done. No. The Coco is not feeling fine. We should tell her sorry. Tell her sorry. She knows where. She's not feeling fine. No. We're literally dragging her through this. The things we do. Thank you. Bye. Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. So I'm about to see somebody very exciting, guys. Yes, I am about to see Enelo Okeke. The last time she was in Abuja, she reached out for us to meet up, but that was when I went to bury my auntie in Asaba. You guys would have seen all of those vlogs. So she's in Abuja right now and we're meeting up today. Very exciting. I just got here now. I'm about to go in and right, let's go.
Okay, you can help me.
Hi. Oh, so good to see you. Wow.
I can't move my phone like
You don't tell. You don't tell. Don't be small. Hey, it's live. Angie. Ah. Oh my God, AJ is angry with me. Oh, hi. Hello, my love. Gist with Nemelum, all of them. Oh, joy. This one is Shades of Somi. Yeah. I know all of them now. I know all. The only banter with NJ.
Yes.
The only. The one that is I beg you. Which pepper?
Pepper nuts was IG.
This room always has things. The last time I came, this room was. Is this like the storeroom? The enjoyment room. Hi, Somi. Hi. Hi, Namalum. Hi. Do you guys know that I've known NJ for years?
Yes.
People don't know this. Sure, you know. I've known NJ since like uni, but most people don't know this.
True.
She was very close to my cousin.
I think NJ told me about
Yeah.
Even before
you and I, like, yeah. I've known her since. But you're not answering NJ in UNN.
It's NJ now.
It's not Alex or something like that.
No, Alex for NJ was her email address. Alex. Now that's my confirmation.
Because then he'll be like Alex.
Yes.
That's not her real name.
No, it was confirmation. And she said we should give us.
Even me too. I have confirmation name. If I tell you, you will laugh.
Alex.
Stop now. Veronica.
Hey.
Look at.
Let me take you there.
Everybody please say thank you to
them.
Now she very good to salon.
See my fine face.
Anyway, it was Mary that took me to the salon, and I loved the girl that did my hair. In fact, and she was doing it. Okay, initially I was like, I'll give her 2,000 naira tip. And she continued. I was like, okay, maybe I'll make it 3,000. Like she was just too good. She was so good, and I was so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy now. Whatever I was then, I'm still now.
No, guys. See what we're having.
It's so sweet.
As in, it's so succulent.
Succulent.
So
I
nice.
really love it. Mommy, you don't eat meat again. Okay.
Okay,
right.
Tingo. No dog. There's no dog. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Oh. I know. Mom's at brunch. I'm not drinking like that. I'm going to turn it for take with the other cup.
Shooting a video.
No.
We didn't plan to shoot.
I'm just hanging out though.
Willing. Just go and
unwind. Yeah.
Come, let me.
Hey, I can't wait though. I can't wait. This Manya will soon finish.
Okay, where is this? Just bring it.
Guys, Mom's That Brunch is here. The one, the only. We're planning something big. Something big is coming. Stay tuned. Yes, so. Want to choke me. Nemelum just brought chocolates. People want to choke me here. Turkey now, chocolates. Then drink.
She's the one that even gave me the champagne, Joy.
Aww.
Hey, we're cooking in this house that plenty of vloggers. Let me explain now.
Yeah, everybody wants to vlog you.
There are plenty of vloggers. Everybody is showing it in the area vlog. And then the people that do not eat. The people that do not eat will go and watch it in the vlog and now call you. So it didn't go to it and it did not reach here. So if you know it's not going to reach there, don't vlog it.
No vlog it.
Don't show it.
Cook it in peace and eat it in peace.
And they come back. So even if it's two pieces, Just give everybody love, but let it go round. But I like it though.
I love communal living, Sha. Yeah. I really enjoy it. You guys see our 2 million naira camera. Our 2 million naira camera that is breaking the internet. That is breaking the internet left, right, and center. See it. As in, see the way I'm even holding it, ma. I'm like, hey. As in, nothing can spoil, oh.
It's not my portion. I trust it and I bind it. Nobody.
I know.
I will cry.
I know.
I will cry like a child.
More turkey.
Seriously, we cannot wait for you to come to PH.
Yes, so
right?
Very soon.
Influencers.
Yes, so.
YouTubers.
And I'll be there too. I can't wait. I cannot wait to be in PH. Hi, you forget your name here. I'm telling you, it's so nice. Like it's so nice, juicy, succulent, spicy, everything.
Very nice.
Very nice.
I don't know how they do it. I wish they could tell me.
I swear. Where? That's the question. From where?
One place so that
you say it's one place. I say I'll collect that address and I'll go there this evening. I'll go and chatter it, or I'll order it.
Tissue.
Angry, you know me now. I don't play with my food, you know. Why you not chew your bone well? I'm as high as. I'm as tipsy. No, I'm not high. I'm tipsy. I've drank. Oh.
How are you?
So where are you now?
I've drank. Oh.
Okay, drive down to a T-junction.
Oh God! If you video me as high as a kite. Like, what is it? What is it? Why are you looking into my eyes?
I'm reserved.
It's all over.
All over the whole place. You guys, single brought cake. Hey.
I want to give somebody cake. I'm like,
aww.
Like,
this one is
just
really
order.
nice.
Yes. I'll just say
It'll be so
that.
nice, so moist.
No.
I can feel the moistness.
So
Ma. Sorry, ma. Yes. Yes. No, please. I must taste this cake. I must. I must. Amen. Amen.
Guys, guys. Amma, what did you come with?
I was going to come with something, guys. See, I'm ready to
Amma, what did you come with?
I was supposed to come with something, but I didn't want to be too late. That's why I didn't buy something. Well, I owe you. Yes. She's saying go do his way. Her husband is
Like
yes. Oh, so nice.
are you happy now? My sister even cooked to her. We used to call her.
What do you need to call her? Auntie Office.
You should be shown those sides.
Bonello cut this thing now.
Yesterday we went out. I bought meat pie. I started eating my meat pie. So I said, you know what? Fuck it up.
And everybody calls me mom.
That's what I call you.
A big slice.
It's too much.
For somebody that is doing diets. It's good, right?
It's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
So fresh.
Floor Cafe. Musei too. Everything is in Musei too, basically.
Kobe will finish cake in one day. My son.
It fell to your mouth.
Yeah.
Keto in the Does not mean I will not eat it, but look at you. Look at you. Just look at you.
Are you sure? Do you look like you are lying from the pit of? This cake is amazing. Amazing. The cake has already finished to see. Cake is so nice.
This cake is like I have to 5 or 10 minutes.
It's not up to. So nice.
I cannot have customers.
So you went to fashion school? Are you serious?
So you see, they have, but I know I'm a troublesome person. I cannot have customers.
Angel be arguing with her customers. You see that I'm on the hand is so not. No, this is the way it's supposed to be.
Are you serious?
The next day.
Oh, hey, baby. You should have told me.
Drama queen.
Hey, my darling. Hi, Amos Channel. How you doing, guys?
We are fine. Yes, baby. Okay, my love. So me's on the phone. Tengu.
Hi.
Hi. Nanya. Hi. So me. Hi. Enjoy. Hey, this is all for me. All for me. All for me.
But when I
Tengu. Hi. Hi, God.
Only.
I thought it was more than that.
Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. Where you tell me you want me down.
That food was yummy. Hey, I bought something today. two buckets of chicken. He did not bring anything.
I love.
Yes.
Tomorrow next. When do you want
I'm from girls, you know, I do this package. Listen, I don't worry what I'm going to bring. I go big or go home.
See,
I really think I'm not.
Auto.
I'm somebody now. I'm somebody I feel like if I had known. Oh my God, this has happened before.
Oh, deja vu. You're welcome.
Thank you. Please remove your hand.
That's insane.
I don't bring anything. I can't find the container. It's coming.
Oh my God. Everybody has got to glam up. Including Somi. Yeah, do it.
Watch out. Let them start again. Come on.
What's not guy? Come on.
Hey. One, two, one. Simple. Can we remove that time? And you hit it like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, back. 1, 2, back. Then 1 and 2. Then back. Then the other side.
From behind, I know you stranger, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you took it all night? Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stranger, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Gonna be sweet.